They're gonna recognize tonight. They don't recognize tonight. Yeah. Let's go. LB's on three. 1, 2, 3. LB. Let's go. Show them who's tougher on the field. Prove it on the field. Every single play. Texans on three. 1, 2, 3. Texans.
Handoff Hillman, and Cushing has him by the feet, short of the line of scrimmage. Manning gets the snap. He's in trouble. He's going to go down at the 20-yard line. A sack for your Texans, Ricardo Matthews. Manning will throw, and here's it out downfield right. Picked up by Boye at the 43 of Houston. A.J. Boye with the interception. Throws left side, and Grimes with a nice catch in the flat. Maintains his balance, gets up 45, 40, 35, 30, and he's down at the 25-yard line. 4th and inches inside the 5-yard line of Denver. Here's Blue, right side, has the first down, and down inside the 2-yard line. First and goal at the 1. Handoff Grimes, running left, makes his way to the goal line, and touchdown! Manning shotgun, pops, fires, right side, end zone, and diving catch, Sanders. Touchdown, Denver. Wow. Here comes Groves chasing him. Osweiler throws downfield, tipped and intercepted. Eddie Pleasant with it, left sideline. The Texans have their second pick of the night after Bulla tipped it. Pleasant picked it. 4th down and 3 for the Texans. Throws caught. Labhart across the 45 and 40-yard line, picking up the first down. Savage gets the snap out of the gun, throws downfield. Got a man gripping at the 15, 10, 5, touchdown, Houston! Savage gets the snap, looking, going to the end zone, caught, Labhart, 2-point conversion, good, and the Texans are in front. It's over in Denver. An exciting preseason game as the Texans defeat the Denver Broncos 18-17 behind a late drive engineered by rookie Tom Savage.